Over here you can see that I have an audio layer, and if I were to press the play button, it simply starts playing. You can see a line over here that is known as an audio envelope. So if I were to go around and click and drag this up right here, it's already at its maximum point. But if I were to go around and bring this down over here, then the volume actually decreases. Just like this. So let's say what I want is I want the volume to gradually come as I press the play button from the beginning. In that case, what I can do is I can hold Control on my keyboard and add a keyframe or a point right here. So if I were to go around and move this point here and there, nothing happens right now. But if I were to go around and hold Control on my keyboard and then click on another place, then you can see that this is what you have. I got 2 points. So now what I can do is I can click and drag around the points on the bottom right here. And if I were to press the spacebar now, the volume gradually increases, as you can hear. I can go around over here and hold the Control button and then click right here to create multiple points like this and create a volume up down effect as well, just like this. So I can go around and keep it right here, and if I were to press the space bar, you can see that that is how it works. You can go around and click and drag around the points right here, just like this. As you can see somewhere else as well, you can go around and click and drag it out, or go around and click on the point and hit the delete key if you don't want them anymore. And that is how you can utilize the audio envelope to change around the audio volume by using keyframes or points as well inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.